everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Kim of Phone Range, and yes, in today's video, we will be doing a quick unboxing and first impression of the Realme C15. But before that, a friendly reminder from Phone Range, don't forget to sanitize your hands, be sure to wear your mask all the time, and be sure to wear your face shield. And observe social distancing. So let's get started and see what's in the box. First off, we are greeted with a plain yellow box. Ang meron tayo dito is yung 4GB, 64GB variant na available sa online and offline stores sa Phone Range. Kung titingnan nyo yung likod ng box, andito yung mga key features ng phone. Pero, pag-uusapan natin lahat yan mamaya. Ang unang bubungad sa atin is yung document sleeve na merong, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." Then, as usual, nandito yung quick start guide and important information guide. Pag open ng document sleeve ay meron tayong SIM ejector tool. Then, we are greeted with the phone itself. So, ayan, kunin lang natin siya. Ayan. In fairness guys ang bigat niya. Pero, pag-uusapan natin mamaya yung phone, tingnan muna natin kung ano yung mga laman sa loob. Then, inside the box, we have the 18 watts na charger with a micro USB cable. Remind ko lang kayo guys na mafe-feel nyo talaga yung weight sa phone dahil sa battery capacity niya na meron 6,000 mAh, which is napakaganda para sa entry-level smartphone. And finally, let's talk about the device. B-roll please! So, what we got here is the marine blue color variant at meron din tayong seagull silver color na available. Ang screen size ng phone is 6.5-inch HD Plus with resolution of 720 by 1600 mini drop display. Na okay para sa mga entry-level smartphone. The back cover of the Realme C15 is medyo unique compared sa iba dahil meron siyang pattern sa likod na may texture feel. You will not see any physical buttons at the top of the phone. Sa right side naman ng phone, andito yung volume rocker, physical button at power button. Then, at the left side of the phone is the SIM card tray. Tignan natin ang laman sa loob. So, what we have here is the dual SIM card slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot. At the bottom, we have here is the micro USB port, a 3.5mm audio port, and the microphone with speaker grill. And don't forget for the biometrics, it has face unlock and a fingerprint scanner at the back. As for the camera, the C15 is equipped with rear quad cameras consisting of a 13MP for main camera, 8MP for ultra-wide, 2MP for black and white, and 2MP for retro sensors. Sa harap naman guys is yung 8MP selfie camera. As for software, the C15 runs on Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI skin on top. The smartphone is powered with a MediaTek Helio G35 gaming processor 12nm, which is an octa-core CPU with 2.3 GHz na chipset na bagong-bago guys para sa mga new entry-level smartphones. We also provided benchmarks using Antutu, Geekbench, 3D Mark, PC Mark, and Andro Bench. Expanding the storage is more than welcome as the C15 has its dedicated microSD card slot up to 256 GB. Now, let's test the cameras. Here are the front-facing shots for selfie use and video calls. Then for the rear camera shots. Here are sample photos and videos taken from normal and low light scenarios. With all of the features mentioned, this is actually an impressive entry-level smartphone for its price. So, if you are interested, the 4GB 64GB variant is available for 6,990 pesos at the time of this recording in all phone range online and offline stores. For more infos about our upcoming promos, please like and follow us on our social media accounts and enjoy hassle-free shopping when you purchase to our online stores. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy watching. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will get notified whenever we upload our new unboxing. Once again, this is Kim of Phone Range. Thank you, stay safe, and have a great day. Be sure to wear your mask all the time. And, paano ko po and your face shield. And observe social distancing. Wait lang. Hindi ko na nakita, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. For more infos about our upcoming promos, please like and follow us on our social...
Actually, wag natanggalin mo na yung phone. Yan pa.